Hi, I've been hearing about focused funds. What are they?
Hi, a focused fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in a limited number of stocks up to 30. The idea is to invest in select companies based on specific strategies defined by the fund manager.
Oh, so the number of companies is fixed?
The maximum is capped at 30 stocks. These funds can invest across different sectors and market capitalizations, depending on the fund's stated investment objective.
That's helpful. Anything else I should know?
Just that the investment approach is more concentrated, which means the fund typically gives focused attention to fewer companies. It's always a good idea to review the fund's objectives and strategy to see if it aligns with your financial goals.
Got it. Thanks for the information.
Anytime. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.